This is a video on basically trickle charging your 12-volt battery. All the geniuses on YouTube, nobody showed it. You know, there's a trillion videos on how to change it, but this particular battery was changed in February by Tesla. It is an OEM battery. And then all of a sudden, it's saying that it needs one again. I'm like, there's something wrong here. Long story, super longer, is that these guys who are with a parking company were basically sitting in this thing and running on the air conditioning because you could run it in a building, in a garage. So they ran it down to zero. So which led me to believe possibly that the 12 volt in there might have gotten, discharged, whatever. So what I basically did is taken this whole thing apart, which you can find 2,000 videos on because, we need those on YouTube. And then, of course, somebody showing their face all the time because everybody's so self-absorbed. So what I did is I just used my handy-dandy little trickle charge. I had done it. It still read the code. I'm like, what the hell? So then I decided, let me disconnect the battery terminals. Then I recharged it again, and of course I took that off. So I had zero power to the car, figuring, you know what, maybe it kind of just needs to reset. I had done a hard reset. It wouldn't come off. It's kind of annoying. And now I have absolutely no light on the dash, which is great. Can it come back? I don't know, but this is something that is where I'm at right now. I'm just going to put everything back, but there you go. There's a video. Yeah, you can trickle charge this thing and try to get rid of that light for the time being, or if you had to drive somewhere and buy a new one. There you go.